Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset app preferences on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and then tap on apps. In here, tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Reset App Preferences. Now in here, it says that this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and permission restrictions. Now make sure that you really want to do this. If you are sure, tap on the Reset button. And that's it. That is how you can reset app preferences on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And as you can see, because I have reset the app preferences, now I need to select a default home app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.